Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and HIPAA compliance. So today's tech tip. Make sure you set this up for your bank account to prevent fraud. Do you know that your company bank account does not enjoy the same protection as a personal bank account when it comes to fraud? If a hacker takes money from your business account, the bank is not responsible for replacing those funds. Don't believe me? Check your bank's policy. The FDIC only protects you from bank insolvency. So protect yourself these ways. First of all, make sure you have an insurance policy that will protect you from bank fraud. Secondly, set up email alerts to receive notifications anytime money is withdrawn from your account. The faster you catch fraud, the better chance you have of keeping your money. Please click on the subscribe button. Please give us a thumbs up and leave your comments below. Please follow the government's recommendation on social gathering. Stay safe out there.